After the All India Trinamool Congress swept the West Bengal by-polls and won all the 4 seats on Tuesday, Rajya Sabha member Derek O'Brien took to Twitter to state that 3 of the BJP's candidates had not only lost the election but also lost their security deposit. BJP candidates lost their security deposit in 3 of the 4 seats today, TMC's Derek O'Brien tweeted. As per the Representation of People Act 1951, every candidate in the parliamentary or assembly election must deposit a security amount. The amount is deposited with the Election Commission and has been mandated to ensure only those who are serious about the election file their nomination. The Election Commission does not return the security deposit to those candidates who get less than 1/6 of the total number of votes cast in the constituency. Derek O'Brien also made some other observations on the by-poll results on Tuesday. He stated that there was a neck-to-neck fight for the second and third position between the BJP and the Communist Party of India. He noted that the margin of votes in Dinhata constituency was 1.5 lakh between the winning TMC and the BJP candidate. In the assembly election in the month of May, the TMC had lost to the BJP. In a major upset for the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party, the Congress managed to stake a claim on all the 3 assembly and 1 Lok Sabha seat in Himachal Pradesh, where by-polls were held on October 30th. The by-poll result in Himachal Pradesh for the Congress is very positive. We have won all 3 assembly and 1 Lok Sabha by-poll, Congress leader Rajiv Shukla said at a press conference in New Delhi. Shukla, who is also the party's in charge of Himachal Pradesh, added that the significance of winning the Lok Sabha by-poll is that there was a sitting BJP MP there and it was the Chief Minister's home district. The Congress had fielded late Chief Minister Veerbhadra Singh's wife Pratibha Singh in the Mandi parliamentary by-election. She had been pitted against BJP's Brigadier retired Kushal Thakur, a Kargil war hero. Demanding the resignation of CM Jairam Thakur on moral grounds, State Congress Chief Kuldeep Singh Rathod said that Congress had won the semi-final and would emerge victorious in the assembly elections in December next year. Karnataka Health Minister K. Sudhakar has indicated that the state government will soon issue guidelines to gyms and fitness centers on how to manage health emergencies that may arise. This comes after power star Puneet Rajkumar died of a heart attack at the age of 46 on Friday. He reportedly suffered a heart attack after working out at the gym. On Sunday, K. Sudhakar said after the untimely demise of Kannada film star Puneet Rajkumar, several people have been asking me if exercising at gyms is safe at all. It is not right to think so due to stray cases. The minister said they are trying to gather information on various aspects of renowned cardiologists in order to get a summary ready. Over a month after leaving the Congress party, former Punjab Chief Minister Captain Amrinder Singh on Tuesday revealed the name of his new party as Punjab Lok Congress. The registration of the party is pending approval with the Election Commission of India. Disclosing the party's name in Chandigarh on Tuesday, Captain Amrinder Singh said, "Since we had announced earlier that we would be forming our own party, our team of lawyers was working on the process and had applied to the Election Commission of India for the registration. The Election Commission has no objection to the proposed name." About the party symbol, Captain Amrinder Singh said that the Election Commission had given 3 symbols from which one was to be chosen. He also said that his party had submitted 3 different symbols and the final symbol will be chosen from the set of 6 symbols, 3 suggested by the Election Commission and 3 proposed by the party. Former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh has been sent to the custody of Enforcement Directorate till November 6th in a money laundering case. Anil Deshmukh has urged for presence of lawyer during interrogation by ED in its custody. Anil Deshmukh was arrested by ED on Monday after he was questioned for over 12 hours in a money laundering case.